How to view the account number on the Commonwealth Bank application. In order to view your account number, first and foremost, open the Common Bank application and log in using your credentials. Now that you do so, you can navigate to the Accounts tab. Once you select on the Accounts tab from the list of accounts displayed, choose the account that you want to view the account number for. Then after, you should see two options there. First one is BSB and the second one is account number. BSB refers to the bank state branch and another is the account number. If you want to share the account details, you will also see a share button. From there, you can choose to share only the BSB, only the account number, or both the BSB and account number. Likewise, you can also find your account number on the check as displayed on the screen. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.